On job sites that demand frequent relocation, how do you guarantee continuous, high-efficiency concrete output? HAMAC delivers a definitive answer. Introducing the all-new HAMAC YHZM25 mobile concrete batching plant, engineered with a highly versatile modular architecture. This system delivers reliable performance across shifting and demanding working conditions. From the solid positioning of the heavy-duty chassis to the precise lifting and integration of core mixing modules, it eliminates the need for complex foundation work to streamline rapid field deployment. Because on every project, uptime and efficiency are paramount. Excellence is engineered into details. The robust chassis seamlessly balances structural load capacity with transport compliance, unlocking true operational mobility. Integrated with premium Schneider electric components and fully powered by the advanced Bosch control system, it delivers the digital precision and rock-solid reliability required to withstand continuous, heavy-duty operations. HAMAC YHZM25 mobile concrete batching plants, delivering tailored configurations to match your technical demands.